Hey Shiba Inu holder, this is an emergency update for all Shiba Inu holder, and you know why this is an emergency? Let's see, my brother. I will tell you to why this is an emergency. Because my friend, I'm so happy. This is an emergency. You can see here the last 7 days change occur, the last 24-hour change occur, the last 1 hour change occur. It's mean to the price is continuously increasing now, and I just make this video for all holder to don't do any mistake and take a good profit, my friend, because this is the profit time. Shiba Inu is from last 1 month very badly phased down, so therefore when you can see here, this is the very good time for Shiba Inu holder to they will wake up now, and I'm so happy to see this. You can see a 0.00 this time 509 USD is the latest price, and the price is continuously increasing now, my brother. So I predicate this coin. I also share my opinion, and let's see, my friends, to what they do, my friend, in the future. So let's see, but kindly holder, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So hope you subscribing our YouTube channel, my friends. This time you can see the Shiba Inu is completely, my friend, after a short fails they take a jump. You can see here this time the direction is moving upward now, so it's mean, my brothers, to after this fail, especially from last 7 days fail, my friend, this coin is continuously moving upward now, and it's a really great news for all of you to Shiba Inu, as my friend, people are starting investing now and exchanging. You can see at this time Binance Shiba USDT, you can see, my friend, this time absolutely going to be very good now, and hobby global, you can see, my friend, Binance, you can see people are exchanging very highly, and my friend, you can see this time bitcoin.com exchange, you can see Shiba. Oh my goodness, it's a really great news for all of you. To people are, my friend, investing, my friend, and Shiba Inu, and this is the main reason, my friends, to especially Shiba Inu is collaborate with Amazon. So therefore, my friend, it's a very good news for all of you, my brothers, to this coin as continuously, my friend, is going in the moon now if he collaborates. So okay, my friend, you can see this time is also, my friend, exchanging now, and if you get IO, my friend, is also, my friend, this time exchanging now. So my friend, it's mean, my brothers, too, the result is going to be good now, and absolutely, my friend, if you want to detail about so there is not available. Let's see the alert, my friend. This time the team of Shiba Inu is sleeping now, so therefore I'm so sad, my friends, to see this. But please, Shiba Inu team, please be alert. Shiba Inu is going the moon now. Why you are sleeping? Just only wake up and take a good profit, my friends. So thanks for watching, holder. Please, Shiba Inu is completely going the moon, and my opinion is that please hold it, don't sell it, and please don't sell it. If you starting selling, then you are in the lost, and also this coin is also face down. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my friend, the price will be double now. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.